Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn to develop Selenium Python framework in minutes, and there's no manual setup, no copy pasting the code generated from the AI. This is where we need to utilize the AI prompts effectively, and we will be having our full-fledged working framework inside the VS Code. So let's begin. So for what we are doing is that we are going to the LLM like ChatGPT and giving the AI prompt so that it can generate the framework. So let's first do this thing. I have already written a framework prompt. So let's go here and let me copy this prompt from here. And let's go back here and provide this prompt. So basically I'm asking the AI LLM to create a robust Selenium Python automation framework using the Pytest and the page update model design pattern. This framework should demonstrate the functionality through a source demo example and follow a data-driven approach for the test execution. Now press enter. So what will it will do is that it will analyze the prompt and come up with all the instructions, the framework folder structure, the files, coding, everything it will provide. Now, usually what we do is that in order to use this framework in the VS Code or any IDE, we need to manually go and create the folder, creating the file, copy pasting everything, and then we able to run this framework. But what we'll do is that we simply use some prompts and rest all is done. So once this code will be generated, so basically this is a structure where we have pages, where we have a data, we have country file, requirement file, and every file is there, the page objects, the login page, test data, test setup file, test file, and how to run this one. Okay, so once we have this one, what we need to do is that we need to set up it using another prompt. So what I will do is that instead of doing it manually, I will ask the ChatGPT to generate a bash script. Okay, so what I will do is that I already written a prompt. So I will copy this prompt and go back and provide this prompt over here. So what I'm saying is that I'm asking the ChatGPT to generate a bash script that sets up a complete Python project with a specific framework, because we have already defined the framework in the previous prompt. So this bash script should create a project folder with a given project name, create a folder structure of for typical automation framework, generate test requirement files, generate a sample Python files, include the parameterization using CSV files, generate pytest.ini file or other configurations files if needed, install all the Python dependencies automatically using pip, automatically open up the project folder inside a VS Code. That's something really good. So it will set up everything and open this in the VS Code. And we are asking this to ensure that all the Python files are populated with the boilerplate code for the framework I specify, like Selenium with the page update model and a Pytest, include the comments and different things. Okay, so let's see. So it will write a bash script. So you see that it is writing a bash script over here. And once this bash script will be ready, I will simply run this bash script and the rest will be done. So copy this one from here and simply go to the desktop here and go to the more options, go to the git bash here. Now increase the size over here and maximize this one and paste the script over here and press enter. So you see that it's done. It's actually opened the project in the VS Code, and here you see that we have the project setup, all the config file pages with the complete code, the login page over here. Reports are not yet generated because we haven't executed this one. The test data file, the CSV file over here, the tests over here, the config file over here. So whole project is here using the bash script. So we don't need to copy everything manually and set up the project over here. Now let's open the terminal and just try to run this one and see what happens. So simply go to the terminal and simply type Pytest and press enter and start running your tests. That's how it is easy to set up a framework using the AI prompts, and we just use two prompts, one to generate the framework, one is to generate the bash script. We just copy the bash script, open the git bash, paste the script over there, press enter, and the whole project is set up in just in a minute. I believe it's more than, it didn't take even a minute. So everything is set up in the working state. You see that we executed this one, and here the report is also being generated over here. So let's open this one. So open in the file explorer. So you see that on my desktop the folder project Selenium project setup. So let me open this one, and let's open this one, the edge one, and you see that all the test cases are passed over here, and you see that the assertions are in place. So we see the with the valid, invalid, and the logged user. Now what I'll do is that let's do some tricks around the code, and mainly we want to see how the failures will work, if they are working fine or not. So let's go back here, and right now what I'll do is that though we have a GitHub Copilot over here, simply I will go to my test file over here and scroll down, and what I will do here is that simply go to my test login file, and here instead of the password here I will giving a wrong password just to intentionally fail this one, and run this again. Now this time we should see the failure because it should not log into the system because we have provided a wrong password for this one. And here we are expecting result is a success, and which should not be the case here, right? And again, if I go here, refresh this one. So let me go here and open this one again. Simply just go to the file explorer, and this is the file which got generated, and just go here, open in the browser. But here it says the successful login. So this seems like there's some problem with the script, right? Because in this case, ideally what should happen is that we are giving a wrong password. So when we are giving a wrong password, it should not give a success. So obviously what we need to do is that we cannot blindly follow the framework generated by the AI. So this is what I really want to ensure, that once you have set up here in your ID, in my case it's the VS Code right now, so you need to understand this code, how this code is working, so that you can modify the test cases, you can add more test cases, maybe you need to change the functions, how the functions has been written. So but for this particular tutorial, my focus was that because on the daily basis we are working with the automation testing, and we are using the Chat GPT or Claude and different LM models, and we are generating everything. So my purpose was to show you that generate the framework, then generate the bash script, and rest bash script will do. So you don't need to manually set up a project, copy paste everything, and then see if it's working fine or not, it is as per your context or not. So just generate a bash script and run this framework. It was running with the happy data, but when I change the data it's not working. So I will look into this particular code and fix this one, so that it can accommodate my test cases and my approach for the automation testing.